subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
In order to work on Angular, we need NodeJs to be installed in our machine. Open Google Chrome and search NodeJs. Open the first link. Here, as you can see, we have two installations available. One is 14.7 version and another is 16.3. We will go with 14.7 stable version. As I already downloaded MSI file, I will just open it. Here in NodeJs setup wizard, simply click on the next. Click on the checkbox. Click next again. Click next again. Click on install. Once the installation is complete, we will have to click on the finish button. Let's wait for the installation to be completed on my machine. It will take some time. Till then, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. So here we will click the finish button. Now to check whether the node version is installed or not, we'll simply run the command node-v. So as you can see, we have 14.17.0 version of Node is installed in our machine. Now to work on Angular, we need an Angular CLI to be installed in our machine. So for that we will run the command npm install -g @angular/CLI. Here -g is for global. So when press the enter after this, now it will take, like, the installation will take some time. As I have already installed the Angular in my machine, we can check the version of Angular by using ng version. So this version will take some time to show up. I'll just simply wait for that, and what we can do, I'll just increase my screen size so that it will be visible. So as you can see, we have installed Angular version that is 11.0.2 and Node version 14.17.0 and other Angular dependencies, which is dev kit core. Thanks for